I was getting a lot of headaches. I couldn't sleep. I had no energy. I had lost interest. I didn't feel like doing anything. I was just like in a depression. I just, had no energy. I didn't want to do anything. I had no interest in doing my housework, nothing, when I came. I first started when I went to see my doctor with my legs, but all they give you is pain pills, okay, and a cane to walk. That's what, And then when they started this program, my daughter told me, says to go come in, and so I started with it here. And when I started feeling very well. I think my doctor already had thought by the time he would see me next time, I'd be in a wheelchair. And when I went to see him after starting this program, which has helped me tremendous, I feel really good, he looked at me shocked when I walked in for my checkup. He says, I noticed you didn't come in with a cane. You're walking without a cane. I said, yes, I don't need it. He made it, which was Celebrex. And I was taking that. Yeah, it was the Celebrex. Yeah, you don't feel anything. I mean, I was like Speedy Gonzales walking around with that medication. But then all of a sudden, I started feeling these symptoms. My hands started getting numb. I started feeling, my heart was kind of racing. And as it is, I have a heart murmur. I have the whole there. So I started feeling some kind of strange. And I decided I stopped it. And then when I had just been a few days when I stopped taking those pills, when I got a letter and a call to stop taking it. That. So since I've been on here, I'm not in any medication right now. I don't take anything. I just come to my treatments that I come once a month, which I feel really good, terrific. I mean, it has been a tremendous change for me to keep going, to be doing my thing. My headaches went away, the buzzing in my head. Everything was feeling, I was sleeping better. And I really feel it tremendously. Well, at first you don't think so, You say, how can that help me, But as you continue with your treatment, it is. And I tell everybody, and that I see, I recommend it to anybody, because it has really made a difference in my life. I don't even remember exactly how long, but it had been quite a while that I was like that, But doctors don't do very much. It's all pills. It's all about pills. I'm not on any pills at all. I'm not even in Tylenol. I'm not in Motrins. I'm not in anything. I stood more than half a jar is left of that Celebrex, and I just didn't bother with it anymore. I just left it alone. I can do things, I can do quite a bit of things that like I said, I had a lot of interest. I would have done it a long time ago. I think if I'd have known 10 years ago, like you say, my knees wouldn't have gone so bad. He's wonderful. He's a very wonderful person. And to treat you, to talk to you. He's really, I think Dr. Felton, all the staff into this, they're very wonderful with you. They treat you very well. It did. It changed my life a lot. It did. I thought, like I said, I think my doctor thought that by the time he saw me, I'd be in a wheelchair. See? Because I saw the shock in him when he saw me walk in. I'm really fine with everything. I'm not going to say that, hey, I can run, but my life, I can do things. I can't run like I used to, or, anything like that. But I go shopping. I don't use a cane. I go shopping for all the stores, grocery stores. I go for clothing stores or whatever it is. I walk. They'll tell me, you can't walk. Yes, I do. I walk, I go walking at a certain pace, and I walk. But it has helped me tremendously. Like I said, I had no interest in doing anything before. I never heard of it. I didn't know what it was, until when my daughter here, told me to come, I came. And they started me in, on that. And like I said, I wish that a lot of people that need it would find out about it, In fact, I would sit here when I come for my treatments. I talk to people and they start talking, and I said, oh my God, I tell them how I felt. I said, do it, because I said it was the best thing that could have happened to me. I could sleep. That was the main thing, because I used to walk around like a zombie. I couldn't sleep hardly. And that buzzing in your head, it's very annoying to hear that. All that. I recommend it to anybody. It's the best thing that could have happened right now in my life. Hey, don't hesitate. Do it to anybody. I would do it. That's the best thing that could help because it really helps tremendously in your life.